Well, thank you for clicking on this video. One of the difficulties with FSD is its inability to be in the right lane, or the correct lane, I should say, at the right time. So, there's frequent reports of it getting into the lane too late, or it can't get into the lane and missing the turn, forcing us, or forcing FSD users to think a bit ahead for FSD and force it to change lanes by putting the blinker on. But some people say that doesn't work. So this video is exploring what you got to do to make it work. So we start off at the start of the video where I give an example of being in the wrong lane, and then I attempt to get it to lane change manually. It all stems from when I did a video on how to set up FSD. During that video, I changed lanes a few times by putting the blinker on, and I had a couple of comments where the hopefully subscriber said that it doesn't work for them. So this video is for you. And just before I go, what would be very helpful for me would be if you like the video. If you don't like the video, well, that's okay. But if you do like the video, if you just press like, it would be really helpful. And give some consideration to subscribing. One of the difficulties that FSD has is choosing the correct lane. Now this is a great example up here. There's it goes into a roundabout, as you'll see in a minute, and it has to go into the roundabout to go straight ahead in the right lane, very clearly marked. It stays in the left lane, confuses people. Look, it's too late. It's too late. Sorry, mate. I'm sorry. So you see what happened then? It stayed in that left lane, and there was nothing I could do about it. So let's try that again. Only this time I'll put the blinker on. I'll put the blinker on and to tell it to change lanes if I've got enough time. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, I'm going to force it to change lanes by putting the blinker on. Whoops, wrong one. Come on, change lane. Change lane. It won't change lanes. So I couldn't get it to change lanes. So sometimes it changes lanes and sometimes it doesn't. I don't really understand that. There's no reason for it not to change lanes. It can be annoying, that. Someone said in my comments for the FSD setup that it won't change lanes, so I'll try changing lanes. So it won't, because that car's too close. There's no cars beside me. I'll try now, and it will change lanes. So it gets spooked very easily for not changing lanes. Now with all these cars, I'll see if I can get it to change lanes. Yep, it's going to. So sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. It can be quite annoying at times. So there's a car way back then. Will it change? No. So I'm not sure if it's not changing lanes because of the car behind, or because it knows it's got to turn right up here. So it knows it's got to be in the right-hand lane because it says so right there. Now, can I at this late stage say I want to be in the left lane? Let's try that. No, completely ignores me. Has a mind of its own. Okay, see if I can change lanes. So there's no cars beside me. Yeah, well, it was the second time. So I did it the first time and it wouldn't do it. Then I did it the second time, it would. Now, can I go back again? No. And the second time it says yes. So the trick is in changing lanes to be persistent. Let's try that again. And it changes lanes. So I change lanes again. So it is happy to change lanes. You've just got to be a bit persistent. Let's see how it copes with this one. Now it could slow down and get in behind it, and that's what it does. Is it going to change or is it get spooked? Okay, it changed lanes. So I don't know what the trick is, but it seems as you got to do it twice. Or if it's coming up to a stop. Okay, wasn't real happy about that. Let's try it here. Okay, it's happy enough to do it there. So it's really negotiation. You got to negotiate with it. You can make all sorts of comments about that, but you got to negotiate. So I think to summarise, lane changing. Telling it to lane change. Sometimes you got to do it a second time. You can get spooked easily, but then other times it doesn't get spooked. So I don't know why. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. Now see, we're tucking behind this Ferrari. Quite happy to go beyond a Ferrari. That's crazy. Okay, here's a good one. We're turning left and there's all these cars backed up and we're supposed to turn left here. Whoa. Now we'll see what happens. Okay, it's snuck across. And where's it going? Oh, it doesn't want to go into BYD. Oh, that's funny.